Exposing the secrets in Battlefield 6 beta access. Ever wondered why some players get in first? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Battlefield 6's open beta is live, and getting in is easier than you think. Weekend 1 is happening now, and Weekend 2 starts August 14th. No code, no problem. Anyone on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC can join. Just search for Battlefield 6 beta in your digital store and hit download. But what if you wanted early access? Gamers got in early by linking EA and Twitch, watching Drops-enabled streams, or being an EA Play Pro subscriber. Missed it? Don't worry, there's still plenty of action waiting. Pro tip: PC players, make sure Secure Boot is enabled in your BIOS, or you might get stuck on launch. To redeem future beta codes, use the official Battlefield site. Don't try it straight on Steam or your console. Always link your EA account to your gaming platform for smoother access. Recap: grab the beta, suit up, and go make some epic plays. Like and subscribe for more gaming guides. See you on the battlefield.